Let's foam a rinseless wash. Purpose of this video is really to see if using a foam cannon with a rinseless wash, if it provides a better pre-wash than just spraying it with an IK sprayer and just doing liquid only. I can see this being beneficial on something that's extremely dirty, something that you really wouldn't want to use a rinseless wash on. And so the Insight, I haven't washed it in about 4 weeks. I've driven through rain, I've driven through snow with it. It was decently dirty, not dirty enough that I would have not felt safe using a rinseless. I would have just done my normal procedure. But DIY Detail has some instructions on the back that you can use this with the foam gun. I use the Adams foam gun. So this says add 4 to 5 ounces. And so what I did is I basically filled this up to 30. Added 5 ounces to this, and I got to work. Overall, I think this is a cool concept that you can foam a rinseless wash. I've tried it before and I haven't had that great of success with other brands, so it's pretty cool that this one, it actually wipes off really well, especially as a pre-wash. And I probably wouldn't do it every time just because it's not as fast as, you know. The reason that I like using a rinseless wash is because it's super quick and convenient. I don't have to get off the power washer. I don't have to get the foamer. But what I should have tried was using my IK pump foamer. And I've done that before on vehicles that I basically have done the soap and water. I would foam with the pump sprayer. I'd go around the vehicle, pre-foam, and then I'd get to work. So is that an option for this? Absolutely. And for all the same instructions on the back with the IK pump sprayer. So overall, it was cool to try out foaming with the rinseless wash, and honestly not something that I thought that would actually work, but it works really great. There's no streaking, nothing weird going on as you grab your mitt out of the bucket and get to work. So today, as you can see, this thing on a couple of the shots that we grabbed, this thing was extremely dirty. The dirt releases. This has been air drying for, about 2 hours, and look, it's pretty clean. There's no, literally, I would probably wash a couple more cars with this before washing it. I think that's the Chanel from the Rag Company. It's what they pronounce it. Of course, I always like the Gauntlet. It's my favorite drying towel. And yeah, it was basically it. Just a nice, satisfying wash. For this video of the Insight, I really wanted to try out foaming and rinseless. And I saw the instructions on the back of this when we originally tried it, so I had to give it a go. Overall, would I do it every time? No. Is it good for really, really dirty situations? I would definitely try it. I would substitute this out for soap and water in a heartbeat if I could foam on a car that was just absolutely filthy. Maybe we should go mudding in the truck and try not. I don't want to tear anything up. I'm not going to do that for a video. But overall, pretty cool experiment. Foaming with the rinseless foaming in general is way satisfying. Trying it with a rinseless was even cool. I'll definitely do it again. So hopefully you guys dug it. Not a super long video this time. But I'm thinking on our next wash video, we should do the WS6. I need to clay it anyway. So should definitely do the WS6, and we need to get ready for our drag racing adventures coming up. It's a little bit dusty. It's not dirty. It just got some dust on it. So that will be perfect for quick rinseless and a nice clay. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.